For my maker badge, I decided to create a plaque with my initials on it. In order to complete this, I had to gather different materials, including a wooden plaque, wooden letters with my initials, which are C and H, wood paint, and also paintbrushes, a hot glue gun and wood glue, hot glue sticks, newspaper, and other accessories to customize it. Next, I went to my local craft store and picked out the letters that I wanted and the wood. I put down a piece of paper to keep things neat and got my paintbrushes, my light soft wood, some purple paint, and white letters for my initials in case I wanted to paint over them. Next, I decided that I would use a light, soft wood with nice edges on it. I got my paint and put it on a plate. And this paint is craft smart, so it also works for pottery and other types of wood and paper. Next, I grabbed my paintbrush and began to paint my wood. During this process, it's important to put the newspaper under your wood so that you don't get the tablecloth dirty or anything else. So this is my finished product, and I decided that after I painted my plaque, I would paint my initials a nice light yellow with the same type of paint. The reason I chose white letters was if I decided to use a light paint like yellow, which I did, you wouldn't be able to see the wood underneath it. So this is my finished product for the C, and then I began to work on the H. This type of paint can also get kind of messy, so it's important to wear clothes that won't get stained easily because this type of paint will stain. I also decided to do 2 coats of paint so that it would become more vibrant. Next, I got my hot glue gun and plugged it in. It's important to remember to put something underneath the hot glue gun so that it doesn't drip on the table. Next, I measured out where I wanted my letters on the plaque. I decided for my accessory to choose a small dried up flower to put in between the letters. I was originally going to use wood glue, but then I realized that it would take a very long time to dry and some sparkly accessories, so instead of using the wood glue on the letters, I decided to use them on the accessories. It's also important to push down really hard to make sure that it sticks. So this is my final product. I hope you enjoyed my video. I had a lot of fun making this, and I hope you will too. Thank you.